Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the functionality of the sort key. So sort key you can define in the T code called OB16, and this is the path to define the sort key. Sort key is applicable for customer master, vendor master and GL master. So whatever sort key you have defined, you can assign in the vendor master, you can assign in the GL master and you can assign in the customer master. Whatever sort key you have assigned in the vendor customer in GL master, that sort key value will get updated in the assignment field during the posting time. So again I'm repeating, you have to create the sort key from OB16 and the sort key you have to assign either in vendor master, customer master and GL master, and whenever you post the document, either vendor line item, customer line item or GL line item, in that line item there is field called assignment field, and the sort key of that subsequent field will get updated in the assignment field. Okay, so let us understand in this way. So here let's say you will define sort key. Okay, this sort key you will enter either in the GL master or you'll enter in the customer master or you'll enter in the vendor master. Okay, so whenever you use this GL and you post the transaction, in that line item there is field called assignment, so it will get filled in the assignment field. Okay, and this also come in the assignment field and this will also come in the assignment field. Okay, so sort key value will get updated in the assignment field via GL master, via customer master and via vendor master. Okay, we'll see in the practical, we'll understand the sort key. The it is said you have to define the sort key. So while defining the sort key, you have to use the field either from DKPF table, BSEC table and BSED table. Only from this four table you can define the sort key. Okay, now assignment field has maximum length 18 digit. Okay, therefore whenever you are defining any sort key, make sure that you are not crossing that 18 digit length. Okay, if sort key, let's say you have defined a sort key in the number nature and that sort key length you have given just 10 digit, so system will add 000 as a prefix to reach the maximum length, that is 18 digit. Okay, everything we are going to see in practical. Another point, we can combine maximum four field. Let's say you have to define the sort key, so you can combine maximum four field into one sort key. That also you'll see practically. Upset also you'll see practically. Now if you have written the substitution rule for the assignment field, that time sort key will not work, substitution will have the priority. Okay, on assignment field. Now another point, this is for reconciliation GL, posting, for reconciliation, for recon GL, like customer and vendor. My training is always in advanced level, so you have to watch very carefully to understand in depth level so that you can become a pro SAP consultant. Okay, if you want to know more about the short key, you follow this SAP note. Now let us see practically. Okay, go to OB16 code. It is a cross client configuration. Okay, meaning that if I'm doing any changes in development system in any client, it will automatically impact to other client as well. It entered. Now posting date. If you want to update the posting date in the assignment field, you can take the field here posting date. Likewise, see here document currency. If you want to update in the assignment field, you can take this one. So likewise, SAP has given multiple thing. Now so I am going to do one assign. I am going to create one short key. Go to here and let's say I want to update the user ID in the assignment field. So give your short key name, any name you give, Z00 or let's say Z01. I'm going to give here user ID. Okay, so I want to update the user ID in the assignment field. Now give here the user ID technical name. Okay, so double click here. So all these fields which are available here, they are from these four tables only. Okay, they are from this four table only. So either you can go and directly take from this field also you can take, or you can search here. So username technical name is USNM name. What is that? USNAM. Okay, so this is the technical field name of the user ID, US name, and the user ID which I have logged in from is this one, professor underscore RSA double zero. So what is the length of this one? 4 digit, 5 digit, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my user ID length is 10 digit. So give here length 10. Okay, length 10. Here only I am going to update only username in the assignment field. Remaining field I am not using as of now. Now let us do the testing. So this short key I can assign in the GL master. First let us do the testing via GL master. So go to FS double zero. Take any GL. Let's say this is the GL. Go to here. So here is a short key field is given. Change this one and give this short key. Okay. So it means that this short key backend is combination of user ID. Okay, backend you have done the configuration that this short key will update the user ID. Okay, now whenever you post any transaction in this GL, in the assignment fields, it will update the user ID. Okay, it will update the user ID. Save it and test it. Save and do the testing. Go to FP50. Give here. Give that GL number. Give debit, credit. Give your amount 2000. Give your cost center. Give here cost center. Okay. See here. As of now, it is not updating here. Okay. Once you post, then it will update here. So post it. Hit enter. It got posted. Now go and display it. Double click. See in the assignment field, your user ID got updated. How it got updated in the assignment field? Because in this GL you have given short key as a here Z01, and the Z01 short key is configured as a username. Okay, so that is how they are linked. Now what is the use of offset? If I give here offset 2, it means that first 2 digit it will not update. First 2 digit will get truncated. Okay, so let's say here if I give offset 2, so what system will update? System will update only this much. First 2 digit, this will not get updated. TR, only this much it will update. Okay, so that is the functionality of the truncate. Now I given to save it and again go and do the testing. So /n FB50. Give here, give here, give here, credit, debit, 2000, 2000, give cost center here. If anything you give as in the assignment field manually here, then the manually entered value will have the priority. Okay, then your short key functionality will not work if you enter here something manually. Okay, save it. Now go and check it. See here, first two digit PR is not updated. Okay, see only this much it got updated. OF only. So this is the use of the this one upset. Okay, if you want to update field value this plus this, you can give up to 4 maximum field value, but make sure the length of the field is not crossing. Okay, length of the field is not crossing. So let's say I also want to update, let's say posting date. So posting date technical name is BUADAT. Posting date maximum length in 8. Okay, see here 10 plus 8, now 18. If I cannot give any other field name here, let's say Belnar. Belnar means document number I want to update. So document number, let's say maximum length is 10. See here, now you are crossing. 10 plus 8 is already 18. You are adding again 10. So it is crossing more than 18 digits. So it will not allow. So if you want to use more than one field, or even one field is itself is crossing more than 18 field, then even that field it will not allow. So you have to use this field in such a way that their total length is not crossing more than 18. Okay. Now let's say this is what I want to update. User this one and posting date. Both I want to update. User ID and posting date. Save it now. Now if you post any transaction, it will update user ID and posting date both same. FD50. Come here. Amount. Enter here. Give here. Post it. Display it. Double click on this one. See here, your user ID and your posting date both got updated here. You can verify user ID and posting date. So this is your posting date and this is your, here it got updated. Okay. Now once you understand up to here the functionality, next is a reconciliation scenario. In reconciliation scenario, how it works? Let's say I have one reconciliation GL here. In the reconciliation GL, I given the short key vendor number. Okay, and in the vendor master also I given short key. So go to BP. This is my BP number. Go to, and here, see here I given short key as a posting date. So in the vendor line item, when I see the vendor line item, okay, in vendor, in the assignment field it will update this one. Okay, in the assignment field it will update this one. And when I see the GL line and reconciliation GL line item, in this it will update the assignment field this one. Okay, but when I see in the BSEC table, then it will behave in this way. Okay, in the BSEC table, in the joiner field, the short key from the vendor master it will update, and short key of the reconciliation GL will update in this field. Okay, a special GL assignment, that is HZUON. Okay, it will update into this one. So you have to know this behavior. It will help you to build any kind of report if it is required. Now let me post one vendor invoice FB16 and let us observe it. Come here, give the GL 1000 rupees, 1000 rupees. Okay, got posted. See, this is the vendor line item. In the vendor line item from vendor master, it will update. So in the vendor master, you have given posting key. So posting key got updated here. Okay. But it has reconciliation also. In the reconciliation GL, the short key given in this GL will get updated. How to view this one? Take this one, go to FBL. Okay. So here for this line item, there is no problem. For this line item, whatever short key you have given in this GL will get updated. Okay. Only for the reconciliation GL, there are two short key. In this, one short key given in the vendor. So this is updating in the vendor. Another short key is given in the reconciliation GL. So for reconciliation GL, it will update from the reconciliation GL short key. So go to FBL3N and FBL3N. This is the T code to view the line item. Okay, run it. Okay, see here 43. This is the GL you updated, you just posted. This is the document number you got posted just now. So see in the reconciliation GL, this is what got updated. And see if your short keys are number nature, then it will add the prefix at 000 to meet the 18 digit length. Okay, 18 digit length. Now same behavior if you see in the table label, let's go in the SA16N. B said US10, give the document number which you posted, that is which document number we just posted now, that is /NFB03 43. This is the document number you have posted just now. Go to here at table label 2024, remove all other field, only deselect all field. Sorry, don't remove, give all, give here document number, you give here fiscal year and tick this one and tick your genre, that is assignment field, and tick your H, this field. Okay, this is a special GL assignment. Now run it. Okay, so see here, this is your purchase GL line item, so you leave it, it is working fine. Only for the vendor line item, see in the assignment field, short key is updated from the vendor master, and in this field it is updating the reconciliation short key. So whatever short key I have given in the reconciliation GL, that get updated into this one. Whatever short key I have given in the vendor master, that get updated into this one. Okay, so these are the additional thing you can learn from this video. If you want to learn more about the short key, please follow this SAP note. Thank you so much.